everybody? This is your daily real estate practice question. So let's just jump right into it. First of all, I got the words bigger on the screen, so I wanted to just tell you that. I hope you like the new font. I hope you like the size of the font, and I hope this is easier to read. Also, I'm putting the question and a little brief explanation down in the description below. So once again, I'm going to tell you this. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit that like button, and let me know what you think about this because your feedback is making this better. So without further ado, how much is a discount point is the question of the day. First one is 1/10 of the loan. 1/10 of the loan? And that's actually 1/10 of percent of the loan, excuse me. Second one, 1% of the loan. C, 10% of the loan. D, it depends on the interest rate and the loan amount. Well, a point is steady, so we're not going to use D. It is definitely not D, so we could cross that out, okay? We could cross that out right away. Next one, 10% of the loan. That is a lot to pay for a discount point. So that should stand out at you automatically. That's just way too, that's a lot, okay? That is the incorrect answer. So now we're left with these two answers. 0.1% of the loan or 1% of the loan. The answer is that it's 1% of the loan. Something that I want you to keep in mind, I really do want you to focus on is this. It's 1% of the loan, yes, okay, but this is based off loan amount. A lot of people get tripped up with discount points because they think that they'll get the sale price of the home, and what they'll do is they'll automatically use the sale price as opposed to the loan price. So they won't calculate in down payments, things of that nature, any earnest money that's been in there. So you want to read the question thoroughly, okay? If they're asking you a question where you have to calculate a point on the loan, okay, keep in mind that it's of the loan and you need to deduct what the loan is before you could come up with what 1% of the loan is. So that's something that you want to keep in mind when you're looking at questions like that, okay? So that is super, super, super important. And the answer to this one is B, 1% of the loan. Guys, I hope you have a great one. We'll talk soon.